Hello students, today we will understand hierarchical inheritance. Inheritance in which there is only one parent class and it has two or more child class, means one parent and two or more child. Now you can see class father. This class is parent class and there are two daughter classes. First daughter class is son, public father, means son is the child class of father. So now one more child class, daughter, which is child of father. So we have three classes: class father, class son, and class daughter. And son and daughter, son is child of father and daughter is also child of father. So inheritance in which there is a parent class. In this program, parent class is father and two or more child classes are son and daughter. So let's start with father. In father class, I am taking a variable f amount for father's money. And in this class, there are two functions: input underscore f and output underscore f. Input underscore f to take value through keyboard of father's money, and output underscore f is used to print the father's money. Input underscore f we are using for input. Cout insertion double quote father, enter money of father, and seen also, so it means this message will come on your screen: enter money of father. You will input a money and it will received by seen, and it will go into the f amount through keyboard. Now output underscore f to print the money of father. Cout is here only, so it is used for output. Now we have one more class, son, colon public father. It means son is the child class of father. In this I am taking s amount. In previous class my variable was, in father class my variable was f amount. In son class I have another variable whose name is s amount. For daughter I will take d amount, and one more total. Two variables I am taking in this class, child class. Same as two functions, input underscore f. In previous class it was input underscore f. See this one, in parent class input underscore f and output underscore f. In son class it will be input underscore s and output underscore s. Input underscore s is used to take money of son through keyboard. See this one, what is input void input underscore s function? Cout enter money of son. This message will come on your screen and you will input an amount through keyboard which is received by seen, and it will go into the s amount. So it is input of s amount. Now output underscore f, output underscore s, sorry, this is for print the money of son and total money. See what I am doing here, I am doing total. Total a variable, you can see total is a variable here. You are watching, total is a variable here. So what I am doing? I am doing total assign f amount plus s amount, means I am adding son amount and father's amount and assigning this into the total. And then cout money of son. Money of son is in s amount, and cout total money is in total variable. So it means I am doing addition of f amount and s amount and assigning into total, and then I am printing the s amount. S amount means son's money, and total means f amount plus s amount. One more child class, daughter. Daughter is also a child of father class, because public father means daughter is the child of father class. In this I am taking two variables, d amount and total. D amount means daughter's amount, total means total of, for doing total of father amount and daughter amount. In previous class it was s amount. In this class it is d amount. Now same two functions, input underscore d and output underscore d for daughter. In previous class it was input underscore s and output underscore s. See this class son, see this one, function name input underscore s and output underscore s. In daughter class they are input underscore d and output underscore d. Input underscore d, cout insertion double quote slash n, enter daughter's money, and c in d amount means we are taking daughter's money through keyboard, because this message will come on your screen. You will input a value through keyboard and it will be received by scene and it will go to d amount. So money of daughter will be in d amount through keyboard by using scene. Output underscore d, one more function. So what we are doing, total assign f amount plus d amount. In this, father's amount f amount and d amount, we are adding both of them and assigning into the total. Now cout insertion double quote slash n, daughter's money is d amount, means we are printing d amount. D amount means daughter's money with a message. Message is daughter's money is, and this d amount will print the daughter's money. And then cout insertion double quote slash n, total money. Total money, we are printing total money. Where is the total money? See the formula in total. F amount plus d amount assigning into total. If you want to print the total money, you have to print the total variable with a message total money is. Now in main class, we will make two objects, son, object of son class s, and object of daughter class d, because we have two child and we make object only of child class, because child class can also access the function of parent class. So first child is son and we are making the object son s. S is the object of son class. Through s we are calling input underscore f, means father's function, this one. Then input underscore s, son's function. Then output underscore f, father's class function, and s dot output underscore s, son's class. Means we have to call two functions. Through s we are calling input underscore f and output underscore f, father's function. There are two functions. See this one, input underscore f and output underscore f, both are the function of father's class, and input underscore s and output underscore s, both are the function of son's class. So we have, through object s, which is object of son class, we will call two functions of father class and two functions of child class, its own class. Now daughter d. D is the object of daughter class. Same, we will call all four functions, two functions of daughter's class, two functions of father class. Why father's class? Because father is the parent class of daughter also. So d dot input underscore f and d dot output underscore f, both these are the function of father's class, and d dot input underscore d and d dot output underscore d, both are the function of daughter class. So now see the output. First message, when we call d dot input underscore f, enter father's money 500. Then enter money of son. When we call d dot input underscore s, 200. Now you can see money of father, d dot, when we call d dot output underscore f, money of son, and total money when we call output underscore s. Now enter money of father again, 1000. Enter daughter's money, 1000, and you see money of father, daughter's money, and total money on the screen. So this output is coming when we call d dot input underscore s. This comes when we call d dot s dot input underscore s. So both these, first we call input underscore f, then we call input underscore s. So these two are input, these s dot output underscore f and s dot output underscore s, both these are output function. Same in daughter class, d dot input underscore f and d dot input underscore d, both are input function, and d dot output underscore f and d dot output underscore d, both are the output function.